everybody, how's it going? This is MuffinTop here with a new video in nature. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I figured I'd just come out here and show you guys nature's greetings. Like, there's that plant, it has thorns on it, so it'd be a good idea to not touch it because it will prick you. And I'm just here to show you nature. What most YouTube videos don't show you on a daily basis. So I'm going to show you my version of nature. MuffinTop versus nature. Where do we go? Which direction? No, I should know. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wilderness. Nature won. I think I might have found a path. MuffinTop won. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below and give me a like. I will see you tomorrow.